Okay, in this video I want to show you how to make a GIF. So you log into your EMSB account, you go to your Google Drive. So Google Drive can be found in the waffle here. You click on Google Drive. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a presentation. It's like a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to turn that into a GIF. We're going to make some slides and turn that into a GIF. So let's go to New, Google Slide. So we're going to make a very small presentation. So here, let's get rid of this bottom one here. We don't need this, so I'm going to highlight it and press delete. And then here is where I'm going to do my work. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so I just click on the little square and make it bigger. And let's bring it to the top here. So here, these three dots, let's bring it to the top like that. So a very simple order of operations. Let's say 2 plus 5 times 8. Okay, so there's my first one. And now I want to, the first step is 5 times 8. So what I'm going to do is click on the left here, click on it, then do Control, I'll press Control D. That makes a duplicate. So now I go to my second slide. And my second slide, I'm going to recopy this, copy, right click, copy, Control V, paste, but instead of 5 times 8, I'm going to write the answer. It's 40, right? 40. There you go. So now I have first slide, second slide. Now what am I going to do my third slide? Well, highlight the second slide. So I'm highlighting this one, Control D. I made a copy of the second one here. And now I click and I'm going to recopy. Well, this already recopied. I just write the answer, 42. 42. So now I have 3 slides. 1, 2, 3. Let's just make one more. So take this one, Control D, like that. And this is the fourth slide. And I'm going to write here, answer 42. 42. And I'm going to highlight it like this. Just highlight it, and I'll use the highlighter there. Okay, so here we have a very small presentation. And it's an example of order of operations. So let's give it a name. Let's call it example 1. Example 1. Okay, and that saves it automatically in your drive. There. So now we have this presentation called example 1. So now I'm going to go to a site called Tall Tweets. Tall Tweets. So let me just refresh here. So you may have to log in. You log in with your Google account. And now I'm going to go down here, select presentation. So you just scroll down, Tall Tweets. Turn your Google Slides into a GIF presentation and tweet. Okay. So select presentation. So the one we just did was called example 1. It's still up here. So when I click on it, and here it is. It brings you to the last one you worked on. So I call it example 1. Click, select. And now it's working. It's going to make a GIF. Just give it a second. And there it is. There it is. So now I'm going to save it. So create GIF. Let's do that. Did we do that? Let's just make sure it's done. Okay, GIF created. Oh, there it is. You see? There it is. And then I'm going to press save. And it's going to download it onto your computer. So once it's downloaded on your computer, you can do whatever you want with it. So you can take it. You can send it to your friend, or you can email me, or you can put it on Google Classroom. So that's how you make a GIF using Google Slides and Tall Tweets.